Oh my goodness, look at her go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! 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 Oh man, she's making that thing move. Oh man. Look at her bounce. Go! Go, girl, go! Go! Eve. Mmm. Come on, get it in her mouth.
Okay. Hey, stop it. Yeah.
Is it yummy? Give her little bites at a time, not too much at a time, okay?
Not too much at a time. There. Oh, good. Hey, stop moving. I said stop moving. Pop in her mouth. Pop in your
Good
mouth.
job, Morgan.
Oh, no problem. Hey, stop that. Stop that. Get it all over your face.
You're doing a great job.
Thanks.
What's the key to feeding her?
Well, you have to watch her until she stops bouncing. And when she stops bouncing, then you can feed her. Okay, Eve, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Stop. You have to eat now. You don't want to eat. You only want to smooth it out. Eat it, and eat it.
Good job, Morgan. Okay, we're going to say bye-bye now. See you later. Okay. Here we go.
Eve. Mom, what are you doing?
We're feeding Eve.
Hi, Eve. You like it? Like it? You like it? Hey, Mom, how do you like being Eve?
Oh, it's a little bit challenging, but I like it.
Hi, Eve. You like it? Do you like it? It's not like anything I would expect. It's not like I would, like, just turn this film off.
Okay, you go ahead.
Hi. Hi, Eve. Hi. Okay, bye-bye.